Do you want to sound more excited? In this video, we're going to explore 5 English words to help you express excitement. 1. Exuberant. The root of the word uber comes from Latin uberare and means be fruitful. Prefix ex in Latin means thoroughly, and the suffix ant in English helps form an adjective and means that which. And so, exuberant literally means that which is thoroughly fruitful. To be exuberant means to be full of energy and cheerfulness. If you're bursting with energy and your joy can't be controlled, you are exuberant. Here's an example of how to use the word in a sentence. Emily was exuberant after meeting the Avengers cast. 2. Enthusiastic. The root of the word enthusiast comes from Greek theos and means God. Prefix en in Greek means in. The suffix ic in English helps form an adjective and means being. So, enthusiastic literally means being inspired by God. In the past, this referred to someone who did remarkable things because of their religious beliefs. Today, the word enthusiastic is used to describe someone who is passionate and motivated about something. For example, John is so enthusiastic about working his vocabulary words that he can't wait to use them in conversation. 3. Animated. The root of the word animate comes from Latin anima and means life or breath. The suffix ed in English helps form a participial adjective and means having the qualities of. And so, the literal meaning of animated is to have life. To be animated means to be full of life or, to me, in motion. Unlike enthusiastic, the word animated does not suggest any other worldly source of energy. However, both words suggest high levels of liveliness, like in this sentence. Her animated storytelling captivated the entire audience. 4. Thrilled. The root thrill comes from the Old English word thurleon and means to pierce. The suffix ed, just like in animated, helps form a participial adjective and means having the qualities of. So, the literal meaning of thrilled is having the qualities of being pierced. To be thrilled is to be extremely excited about something, especially for an upcoming event or performance. Like in this example, I was thrilled to get front row tickets to the concert. 5. Electrified. From its root electrify, which means to supply with electricity, you already know the meaning of the suffix ed. So, electrified literally means to be supplied with electricity. To be electrified is to be charged with high energy, especially by something new or unexpected. Here's an example. Andrea was electrified to see her hometown friends after 4 years. If these words electrified you today, then check out the video about 5 words to express amazement in English. See you there!